May this Ramadan brighten your life forever. May prayers in the holy month of Ramadan brings you more prosperity, faith, satisfaction, and divine love for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When the month of Ramadan starts, the gates of the heaven are opened, and the gates of the hell are closed, and the devils are chained. May the holy month of revelation of Quran usher upon you peace, happiness, and prosperity. May the spirit of the Ramadan illuminate the world and show us the way to peace and harmony. Dear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, please accept our fasts in this beautiful Ramadan. May the Holy Spirit of the month of Ramadan spark you in your heart always and guide you to walk through your life. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all your prayers in this Ramadan. As the crescent moon is sighted and the holy month of Ramadan begins, may Allah bless you with happiness and grace your home with warmth and peace. Wishing you and your loved ones joy and blessing in this holy month of Ramadan. Ramadan is month of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, whose beginning is mercy, whose middle is forgiveness, whose end is freedom from fire. Have a blessed and happy Ramadan. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you all the happiness and success and guide you to the right path. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala shower Ramadan's blessing on all of us and bestow His acceptance of our prayers and fasts. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessings shine upon you and your loved ones in this month and every other month. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala fills our heart with courage and makes our way closer to the victory. May Allah be always with us. Narrated Abu Huraira, Allah's Messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when the month of Ramadan starts, the gates of the heaven are opened, and the gates of hell are closed, and the devils are chained. O Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we fast for you and break our fast with your blessings, so accept our fasting. Indeed, you are the all-hearing, the all-knowing. I pray Ramadan heals all of us. Ramadan is the month of mercy and blessing. For a true Muslim, end of Ramadan is the not end but start of new journey leading towards Jannah. Whoever prays during the night of Qadr with faith and hoping for its reward will have all of his previous sins forgiven. Ramadan is about realizing that this life is nothing but an illusion and the test. The real life is in the next life. The month of Ramadan is the one in which the Quran was sent down as a pure source of guidance for mankind, and it are clear teachings showing the right way and the criterion for judging truth and falsehood. Ramadan is the best time to make a habit or break a habit. Ramadan is a chance to build your iman. Ramadan is more about losing sins, not weight. Fasting is not about a diet of burning calories. It's about burning ego, pride, and sins. Ramadan is the month of blessing, whose beginning is mercy, whose middle is forgiveness, and whose end is celebration.